This is a demonstration of the latest VICA42I and how to put in a new problem. So that's option 1. Oops, I'm in the wrong file, sorry. This is a file somebody else has run so that I can simply read off the numbers to type them in. Let's make this smaller. Put this over here. And let's make this even smaller. Okay, so now I'm on this window, so 1. Let's see, still not real slick. There we go. Now I've got the full width. So I type in this information. Maybe, as a matter of fact, I'll just cut it and paste it. But, oops. I guess cut and paste doesn't work, huh? Oh well, it was a thought. Anyway, 1 6, 1 6 1 2 3 1 1 5, and the date has to be 8 characters for now. 07. It's not like the VICA42H that this came from. Maybe I'll make it so it's 6 characters is fine, but right now it's not. Today is the 27th, actually. 2 and 4. 5. You don't have to use decimal points anymore, they're optional. Horsepower. Why has he got 0.033 in there? He must mean a third horse. Well, that's what's in there. 30th of a horse. Again, alignment is not necessary. Just one or more spaces between values is necessary. 4 pole, 80 rise, 9 microfarads, and 0 for the starting capacitor. That line's okay, I think. Stack 1.024, 1 inch long. 0.01601. 0.0806. Now I'm skipping a bunch of input data. It takes too much time to be of interest. I'm going to jump ahead to inputting data on the last line. Effective tooth width 0.08. Tooth length 0.224. Yoke depth 0.46. Wonder why all this stuff isn't calculated for you. Slot area 0.016. Slot factor KSA1 is 1, and this other one is 1.459. Line okay. Okay. Now it's starting to show me the inputs. I'm not going to review them because the video will get too long. I'm going to assume they're okay. Look at this here. This is sort of confusing, but it's probably alright. I'll fix that up. I'll put inputs okay. We'll say yes. Save. Yes. File name. Brian. Oops. Brian. Type 1 to continue. Okay. Looks like we're getting results of design analysis. I hope it's the same as what's over here. And that we got the same as VICA42 H. Should be. What do we got here? Line watts 43. I don't have line watts yet. Saturation factor. Here it is. 13564. Saturation factor 13564. Good. More to follow. Continue. What do we got here? Let's look down here. Something we can find. Capacitor volts. Where's capacitor volts? I don't know. Capacitor volts. 201.8 to a 1 point. I can't see the last digit. Looks the same. There we go. Whoop! Ah! Another breakpoint. You don't get breakpoints because you don't have the Fortran compiler. I'm running this under the Fortran compiler. Okay. Torques 2729, 2732. I think that's close enough. Okay, there we are.